Up close and personal, luxury SUV versus luxury sedan. Title: Up close and personal, luxury SUV versus luxury sedan. Introduction. When it comes to luxury vehicles, two popular choices that often come to mind are the luxury SUV and the luxury sedan. With their sleek designs, cutting-edge features, and premium finishes, these vehicles embody elegance and sophistication. However, determining which one is right for you can be a challenging decision. In this article, we will delve into the world of luxury SUVs and luxury sedans, comparing and contrasting their attributes to help you make an informed choice. 1. Exterior design. Both luxury SUVs and luxury sedans are known for their distinctive appearances. Luxury sedans typically offer a more sleek and refined design with emphasis on aerodynamics and elegance. On the other hand, luxury SUVs boast a more muscular and commanding look, combining power with style. While personal preference plays a significant role, it is important to consider factors like size, versatility, and road presence when choosing between the two. 2. Interior and cabin space. Interior comfort and cabin space are crucial considerations for luxury vehicle enthusiasts. Luxury sedans often prioritize passenger comfort and offer lavish interiors with advanced technological features. Sedans usually have spacious rear seating with plenty of legroom, making them suitable for those who frequently travel with passengers. In contrast, luxury SUVs are known for their exceptional cargo capacity and versatile seating arrangements. SUVs provide ample legroom, headroom, and increased seating positions, making them ideal for those seeking a sense of spaciousness and flexibility. 3. Performance and handling. Luxury vehicles are synonymous with a superior driving experience. Luxury sedans typically excel in terms of on-road performance, offering smooth handling, precise steering, and a comfortable ride. Equipped with powerful engines and advanced suspension systems, sedans often deliver exhilarating acceleration and nimble maneuverability. However, luxury SUVs shine in off-road capabilities and offer enhanced traction control, making them more suitable for adventurous individuals who want the flexibility to conquer diverse terrains. 4. Safety and security features. Safety is a paramount concern when considering any vehicle purchase, particularly in the luxury segment. Both luxury SUVs and sedans offer a wide range of advanced safety features aimed at providing driver and passenger protection. These include features such as forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and advanced airbag systems. However, luxury SUVs often have an edge due to their larger size and increased ride height, providing better visibility on the road. 5. Fuel efficiency and eco-friendliness. With an increasing focus on sustainability, fuel efficiency is a crucial factor for many luxury vehicle buyers. Luxury sedans generally offer better fuel efficiency compared to SUVs due to their lighter weight and streamlined design. Sedans often use smaller engines and employ technologies like hybrid or plug-in hybrid systems to improve fuel economy. However, manufacturers are continuously improving SUV fuel efficiency through hybrid and electric variants, making luxury SUVs a viable option for those seeking both luxury and eco-friendliness. 6. Cost of ownership. The cost of ownership is an essential aspect to consider when investing in a luxury vehicle. Luxury sedans typically have a lower purchase price compared to SUVs, making them more affordable for some buyers. Additionally, sedans usually have lower maintenance and insurance costs compared to SUVs. However, it's worth noting that luxury SUVs can have higher resale values, thanks to their popularity and versatility in the automotive market. 7. Technology and infotainment. In today's tech-driven world, luxury vehicles are often equipped with cutting-edge technology and advanced infotainment systems. Luxury sedans typically offer a wide range of tech features, including touchscreen displays, smartphone integration, voice control, and premium sound systems. Sedans are known for providing a seamless and connected driving experience, ensuring that you stay entertained and connected on the road. Luxury SUVs also come packed with innovative technology, offering features like panoramic sunroofs, rear seat entertainment systems, and advanced driver assistance systems. SUVs prioritize versatility and convenience, providing a comfortable and enjoyable ride for both the driver and passengers. 8. Brand and image. The brand and image associated with luxury vehicles play a significant role in the decision-making process. Luxury sedans and luxury SUVs are offered by reputable automakers known for their commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Each brand carries its own unique reputation, attracting buyers with its distinct style, performance, and luxury offerings. It's important to consider the brand's history, reliability, and customer satisfaction when choosing between a luxury sedan and a luxury SUV. 9. Practicality and everyday usability. Considering the practicality and everyday usability of a luxury vehicle is crucial, especially if you plan to use it as your primary mode of transportation. Luxury sedans are typically more maneuverable and easier to park in tight spaces, making them suitable for city driving. Sedans also offer a smoother ride and better fuel efficiency for daily commuting. Conversely, luxury SUVs excel in providing ample storage space, making them ideal for families or individuals who require more cargo capacity. SUVs are also well suited for tackling inclement weather conditions and uneven road surfaces, ensuring a comfortable and safe driving experience. 10. Customization and personalization. Personalization is often an important aspect for luxury vehicle buyers. Luxury sedans and luxury SUVs offer a wide range of customization options, allowing you to tailor the vehicle to your desired specifications. From exterior paint colors to interior trims, upholstery materials, and additional accessories, you can create a luxury vehicle that reflects your unique style and preferences. Whether you prefer a sporty, sleek sedan or a bold and rugged SUV, manufacturers offer various customization options to ensure your vehicle stands out from the crowd.